Are you tired of your Toyota Camry overheating, and can you afford to replace it? What if I told you there's a solution that can save you from the hassle and expense of buying a new car? The Toyota Radiator is here, specifically designed for Toyota car owners, particularly those with a Camry or Solara. This product solves the problem of overheating engines, which can be a major concern for car owners, as it can lead to costly repairs and even engine failure. It's a replacement radiator designed for Toyota owners, perfect for those with a 2.4 LL4 engine. This radiator is for 2002 to 2006 Camry and 2005 to 2008 Solara owners. It's an A/T radiator, which means it's designed for automatic transmission vehicles. The TIG welded end provides a strong and durable connection, while the aluminum core is lightweight and efficient. Each spec matters, as they work together to provide a reliable cooling system. The 2.4 LL4 engine spec ensures a perfect fit for your vehicle. The 2002 to 2006 Camry and 2005 to 2008 Solara specs guarantee compatibility. The A/T radiator spec is crucial for smooth transmission. The TIG welded end spec provides a secure connection, and the aluminum core spec reduces weight and increases performance. All of these specs combined make this radiator a top-notch product that will keep your engine running smoothly. Imagine driving to work on a hot summer day, your engine running smoothly, without any worries of overheating, or picture yourself on a road trip, your car's temperature gauge stable. This radiator makes these scenarios possible. You'll enjoy a worry-free drive, knowing your engine is protected, and you can focus on the road, without any distractions. This product is a game-changer for Toyota Camry and Solara owners, as it provides a reliable and efficient cooling system that will keep your engine running smoothly, even in the most extreme temperatures. I give this product an 8 out of 10. It's well made and effective. The only downside is the installation process, which can be tricky. However, the benefits outweigh the drawbacks. This radiator is a must-have for any Toyota Camry or Solara owner who wants to keep their engine running smoothly and avoid the hassle and expense of costly repairs. The installation process may require some technical expertise, but the end result is well worth it, as you'll have a reliable and efficient cooling system that will keep your engine running smoothly for years to come. The link to purchase this product is in the description below. Please like this video if you found it helpful. Don't forget to subscribe for more product reviews and tips. We appreciate your support and look forward to helping you with your future purchases. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video, where we'll be reviewing another product that can help you keep your car running smoothly, and we'll also be providing some tips and tricks on how to maintain your vehicle and keep it in top condition. So be sure to tune in, and don't miss out on the opportunity to learn more about the products that can help you keep your car running smoothly.